Welcome. In this video, we are going to explore permutation tests, a powerful method for statistical inference based on randomization. This technique allows us to draw conclusions from data without relying on complex formulas or rigid assumptions. So, what exactly is a permutation test? Simply put, it is a way to test a hypothesis by randomly reshuffling your observed data. Instead of assuming a theoretical distribution, we build one from the data itself to see if the difference between two groups is real or just a result of random chance. The intuition behind this is straightforward. We start with a null hypothesis that says there is no real difference between our groups. If that is true, then the labels we give them, like Group A or Group B, are meaningless. We should be able to swap these labels around without changing the overall pattern of the data. Let's look at the process step by step. First, we calculate the statistic for our actual observed data. In this example, we have two groups, and the difference between their means is 3.25. This is our baseline, the number we want to test. Next, we simulate the null hypothesis. We take all the data points, mix them together into one big pool, and remove their original labels. Then, we randomly split them into two new groups of the same size. We calculate the difference in means for these new, fake groups. In this random shuffle, the difference came out to be negative 0.25. One shuffle isn't enough. We repeat this process 1,000 or even 10,000 times. Each time, we get a new difference value generated purely by chance. By collecting all these values, we are building a distribution of what we would expect to see if there were absolutely no difference between the groups. When we plot all those thousands of random differences, we get a histogram like this. This is our null distribution. It shows us the range of differences that happen just by random luck. Most of them are clustered around 0, which makes sense if the groups are effectively the same. Now, we bring back our original observed difference of 3.25. We check where it falls on this graph. The p-value is simply the fraction of random shuffles that resulted in a difference equal to or greater than our observed value. If very few random shuffles match our observation, it suggests our result is rare and statistically significant. Why use this method? First, it does not require your data to follow a normal distribution, making it perfect for skewed data. It is flexible, allowing you to test means, medians, or any custom statistic. And essentially, it gives you an exact probability based on your specific data. To summarize, we calculate our observed difference, shuffle the data many times to simulate chance, and compare our observation to those simulations. This gives us a p-value without complex math. It is a modern, computational approach that replaces rigid formulas with the power of simulation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.